All right, guys, this is the last example of section 1.4. It's a word problem. Don't shy away from word problems. It says you were building a shed in your backyard. The diagram shows the 4 vertices of the shed. So here's kind of a sketch. Each unit on the coordinate plane represents 2 feet. Okay, this is a big deal here. Each unit in the coordinate plane represents 2 feet. So that means for every box here, this is 2 feet. This is another 2 feet. This is another 2 feet. Okay, so one unit represents 2 feet. We want to find the area of the floor of the shed. All right, so like I've told you before, I'm very, very scatterbrained, so I have to take stuff out. Like this is too busy here. Okay, so 27 to 87, I'm going to go ahead and label this G, H, K, and J. All right, so if I just count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this would be 6 units. Okay, and if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 5 units, which means this is 5 units, and this is 6 units. Well, each unit in the coordinate plane represents 2 feet. So if this were 6 units, this is 6 times 2 feet, right? Which is 12 feet. And if this is 5 units, this is 2 times 5, or 10 feet, okay? So basically what we have is a 10 by 12 rectangle. Now, how do you find the area of a rectangle? Well, you multiply them together. So 10 times 12 is 120. So this is 120. Now, feet squared. Remember, area is squared, and we do know this is feet. So this is feet squared.